about to get mad. I'm about to get really, really, really mad.
This man literally had DV charges against her, and then now she disappeared. Duh.
Nikki is a missing mother of 4 from California. At the time she disappeared, her husband Tyler was being charged with cases of extreme DV against her. These are 4 felony charges of DV. He allegedly held Nikki for 3 hours while he beat and tortured her. Now, here's where this gets infuriating. So he had charges for him for those 4 felonies, right? He was due to appear in court in May. But before he went to court, she disappeared. So the court made the decision to drop the charges. May 18th, 2024 was the last time Nikki was heard from. Basically, she had texted her family throughout. She had sisters and she was very close to her family. And she had told them that she was at the hospital with her brother-in-law, like for her brother-in-law, and that her mother-in-law was there with her too. She was going to take her mother-in-law back to her home, and then Nikki went home. And then sometime in the night, around midnight, she was going to go back to the mother-in-law's house to drop off a vehicle. We don't know exactly what happened, but after that text, she completely disappeared. Very interesting that it's at his mother's. I'm cranky today. This case fires me up. On May 22nd, the family called and reported her missing. On May 25th, Nikki's vehicle was found abandoned. We don't know a whole lot about this, but we do know that it was found and Nikki wasn't. July 30th, Nikki's husband Tyler was pulled over in his vehicle and he was charged with violating that protective order against Nikki because he had had ammo in the car. And when you're being charged with domestic violence, you can't have things like that in your car. Ugh. So he was arrested for that and a suspended license, and he went to jail but then posted bail and got out the next day. Now it's been going on a year that this has all happened, but we recently got an update. March 14th, 2025. There was a big search done on the property of Tyler, and it was in relation to Nikki's case. And after that, they had come out and say that they are investigating Nikki's case now as a unaliving. They're being pretty tight-lipped about this case. They're holding a lot of things to the chest. I watched interviews with the sisters. They're trying to figure out what to say because they know that they're so close to getting this guy. So freaking close to getting this guy. But on top of that, I guess police came out and said they're looking for this red truck who might have picked up a male the day that her car was abandoned and it was in the location. So this could be a witness who picked him up, or it could be someone who Tyler knew or that the person knew. Come on. All signs are pointing to this man. But anyway, it could be someone in relation to the case, so they're looking for that. I mean, everybody knows that Tyler's a little bit suspicious because here's the thing. His wife went missing, and the mother of his 4 children, let's just make that clear, went missing a year ago. And he has not joined in any of the searches for her. He came to a press conference, but the words he said were basically what, just verbatim. There was no emotion. He stuttered through it all. It was like he was forced to be there. But your wife is missing, bro. It makes me so furious because here's the thing. He might not ever see justice for this. I'm hoping he does. I hope they nail him on it. But if he doesn't see justice for it, like if he doesn't see any justice, then that means he was not charged with a DV and he will not be charged for her unaliving. And that means that he could do it to somebody else. I'm going to go calm down. But please be aware of this case. Please be on the lookout for updates because we're getting really, really close. And please keep Nikki in your thoughts. I chose not to say her married name in this because I don't think that's what she would want. But I will put her name somewhere so you guys know what to look for. But it infuriates me that people are calling her by her married name. I know that that's legally what it is, but like, she doesn't need to be connected to this man anymore. After all that he has done to her, like, I can't. Anyway, you can't run for very long, mister, because we're gonna get you. And I will see you guys next time. Please follow, like, share. I will see you guys next time.